Alright, so this is gonna be a day one of posting trading content every day. Uh, so I did take one trade today. No, it was not the 1 minute long. It was not the 5 minute long. It was not, but I wish I took it. I wanted to take it, but I missed out. I was trying to be too perfect, but it's all good. I knew what I wanted, didn't get it, even though I was bullish on the day. I'm gonna tell you why here. So going into the day, I saw that we had these daily FEGs. So daily FEGs, we close above CE of it on NQ. ES actually inversing it. Respected CE of this one, respected CE of this one. So longs were looking good, bullish bias for sure. So here we actually had this 4 hour run of just straight bullish candles. We opened up this 4 hour here on both sides, boom and boom. Respecting C of that as well. Both sides, bodies are closing above the upper half, so respecting that 4 hour, disrespecting this whole leg on both sides. So that is why I was bullish for sure. Not only that, but because the draws we had today were really significant to me. So we had a 4 hour here to target, a 4 hour here to target. On the 1 hour, we had, let's see, we had the Asian highs up here, Asian highs here. We had London highs here, London highs here, which did turn into a 4 hour at 9 a.m. But it wasn't 4 hour at the time of 8:30. But we did have a 1 hour to target there, a 1 hour target here. The one thing I did not like was that we were inside of a 1 hour, like right before market open. I wish it would have stayed open, but it's all good. And then right here we had relative equal highs on both sides, and then on ES or on NQ we had 30-minute equal highs here, which was literally the 1 hour. So that was my main draw for today. I knew that I would get hit. I wanted a long to it, but I did not get it. So what happened, I really wanted market to manipulate lower, NQ to resweep this leg, respect the 15-minute on both sides, leaving a SMT here of ES not sweeping out this leg. Did not get that though. So we did get this here. Market open, we did manipulate higher, edging these highs on both sides. Let's see real quick. So yes, so we edged these highs, which I really liked because that only added to the liquidity pool. So all of these highs right here is all LRL for us to target and to be taken out, and the market loves LR. So that was only adding to my bullish bias. We almost got the sweep of this while sweeping out the 15 minutes. Did not get the resweep of it. Got the 1 minute IVG, which you could have taken this play. It was a good play in my opinion, but it's just not what I wanted. You would put, of course, entries there, your stop losses there. Target, this failed swing high to manipulate any higher is perfect. It's more than a 1-to-1 already. But if you enter there, next two candles straight down, which I was thinking that we were going to get the stop hunt, the resweep that I wanted, did not get it. Next two candles rip up, disrespecting the bearish leg. CISD here, which you could have entered right there. Stop still here or anywhere you personally like. I personally like at the swing low because it's protected. But the only thing about being about taking this 1 minute here is that you are in this 5 minute now, and so mechanically you're supposed to take highest time frame inversion. So if you wanted to, you could have taken this 5 minute here. I don't like taking 5 minutes, so I did not take the 5 minute. And today was going to be the day I did take a 5 minute, but I just didn't want to start now because I never take them. I see them fail a lot. I really like taking 30 seconds to 3 minutes tops. I don't like 4 or 5s. Just they take too long for me, and by that time your stop loss is already pretty big like it was today. So stay away from them. I like the quicker plays, kind of like that. But so after that, as you can tell, market rips, takes out all my draws for all the 4 hours, all the 1 hours, everything, just straight ripping. So no plays in between there. I did get my piece of the pie today though. Was a risky play, wasn't the greatest of a play, but in my eyes, discretionary wise, I did like this play because ES did get close to previous day high. They tapped this 15-minute here. This 30-minute swept Asia and a good rejection off of it. Same thing here. NQ did not get into this 15-minute though, so leaving an SMT there at these highs. Did tap a 1 hour though and a good rejection off it, like I said. And usually you do not want to take a reversal off of a distribution anywhere between like 200 to whatever points we did. I mean, we did like 600 a day. You don't want to take a reversal off that because one, what happens after distribution, you get this straight chop for the rest of the day. Straight chop. It chopped for the rest of market open. Like, you don't want to sit in a trade for that long. You want to be in and out. But I did like this play here after seeing that 945 did not do anything. We didn't manipulate higher and we did not manipulate lower yet. So I did want to see the 15-minute candle manipulate lower into this 5-minute here on ES. Same with NQ. I knew that it would be a common ground to come and take if we want to go higher or lower. So I was willing to take the risk off of it, seeing that 945 opened. Went higher, did not sweep out anything. If it wanted to manipulate or go higher, it would have for sure taken out the swing high, go take previous day high or something. But we did not do that. Came up, did not take out any of these highs. So I saw that it was just, we were just rejecting for here. Had no more juice to go up. So I saw that clean 30-second open up, entered, targeting the 5-minute, which was more than a 1-on-1. So my 1-on-1 was here. But after I hit 1-on-1, after I hit 1-on-1s, I always like to get my TP and I like to drag it down and I like to just keep trailing my stop loss and profit and just try to grab more pieces, try to grab some more money, you know. So after I hit 1-on-1, I started trailing, but I only started trailing when we hit the 5. So I started trailing and then I ended up getting stopped out about here. So I got a couple extra bucks doing that. So pretty good play in my opinion, but glad I got out. Of course I was getting out because I already knew we were going to chop for the rest of the day, which I said, look what happens. Straight chop. And come on now. Market is closed tomorrow too. Good Friday tomorrow. So just enjoy your time with your fam. Go spend time with them for Easter. And just take a break from the charts. Recoup for next week. Plenty more good opportunities as always. So I'll post next week because I will not be on the charts tomorrow doing it due to it being closed. So that's it for today.